Okay, next problem. A financial manager has $14,000 to invest for her company. She plans to invest part of the money in tax-free bonds at 6% interest and the remainder at 9%. She wants to earn $1,500 per year in interest from the investments. Find the amount she should invest. Okay, these guys operate on what's called simple interest. Which is this, that principal times rate times time equals interest. That's the simple interest. Time is always, for our problems, always going to be per year. So per year time equals 1. So the formula comes out to be this: P times R equals I. Principal times rate equals interest, as long as our time is 1. So we're going to set this up in a little chart. This woman has $14,000. She's going to break it up into 2 accounts. So we have the account that's not how you spell account. Account at 6%, and she has an account at 9%. Each account is going to have a principal, a rate, and an interest, where P times R gives me that interest. Okay, the rates are easy. 0.06, 0.09. There are my rates. Okay, let's just pick one of these at random. There's the principal for one of them, X, because it says find the amount she should make in each investment. So we're just going to say at random, she's going to put X dollars into the 6% account. She had $14,000 to start. She essentially has spent X of it. So now we need to figure out what's left here. And if I had students in my classroom, I'd say, well, what's left to be here? But again, she started with $14,000. She spent X of it. And so what's left for this second account is $14,000 minus X. And then we're going to use our chart, our formula, principal times rate equals interest. And so my interest is going to be 0.0x and 0.09 times the quantity, 14,000 minus X. So there I've represented my information, but I still don't have an equation. But there's one number I haven't used yet. She wants to earn $1,500 per year in interest from the investments. That we know that we want the interest from both accounts to total $1,500. And so what that is saying is the way I total something up is to add them together. So the interest at 6% plus the interest at 9% should equal that 1,005. Or going on to a new piece of paper. Maybe let's go out just a little bit. We get 0.06 plus 0.09 times 14,000 minus X equals 1,500. And we just solve that equation. So we'll start by distributing. So I get 0.0x plus, and I ask my calculator what that number is. 14,000 times 0.09 is 1,260 minus 0.09x equals 1,005. Collect like terms. So I have negative 0.03x plus 1260 equals 1,005. Subtract the 1,260 from both sides. 0.03x equals negative 255. And so 0.03x, or negative 0.03x, divided by negative 0.03 gives me 8,500. And then being really careful about how we answer the questions and being really specific. It said find the amount she should invest in each investment. X was the amount at 6%. There's X, so there's the amount at 6%, which leaves then the amount at 9%, and the amount at 9% was 14,000 minus X. So 14,000 minus X, 14,000 minus 850, and I should be able to do that in my head, but we will not trust my head, so I'll ask my calculator over here, and we get 5,500. And there's that one. Okay, I think we'll end the video with this problem because I'm not sure the next one I can get done in less than 8 minutes. So we'll end this video and go on to the next problem.